Good morning. Well, solar's about to start, so let's go check it out. Come on. This is Mr. Ron. What's the last name? Wicklund, owner of DNR Family RV.
Correct.
26 years in business.
Correct. 1993 we started the business. 1990 I started installing solar for RV Solar Electric in Scottsdale, and done over 10,000 systems.
Wow.
A lot of them still out there working.
Well, you were highly recommended, so
It's the only way I advertise, word of mouth.
So I will definitely put the word out.
Yep.
So we got Shane and Christian back here, just starting on the panels, getting them sorted out, and they plan to have the panels on by lunchtime. So I'll try to stay out of their way.
You have the residential panels, which are bigger. You're getting into like 200 plus watts a panel, with 300 watt panels, stuff like that. They have the higher wattage, but they don't have the higher amps like these do. These do the 9 amps. Residential panels do about 5 amps, even though they have a higher wattage. But they're designed for different type of application.
Gotcha.
So like these are designed to have that higher output to bombard the batteries and get them charged up. Versus residential, you don't have that storage. You're on the grid and you're producing and you're consuming at the same time. So it's different. The higher wattages for the residential panels is more ideal, but on mobile application you don't want that. You want the higher amps.
Gotcha. Thanks for that analysis of that panel, because I have no clue.
Let's
But I'm learning. Alright, so we got all the panels up and they're all sealed. They just sealed them up with Dicor. So everything looking good. It's lunchtime and they'll be back in an hour and finish up.
You gonna drop that one? Or are we gonna?
yeah, I'm gonna drop
Okay.
these three.
5/16 bit. Oh, here it is. No, that one's quarter. 5/16. Next one up on the extension. Is that it? Yeah. Relocate this box.
It's coming together pretty good, guys. I'm excited. I am excited. So what was done today was just the inverter.
The inverter setup, yeah, and the batteries, and straighten up the wiring.
So we're almost complete for the day.
Correct.
Wrapping it up. All right, the installation is just about complete. We got the basement all put together, all back together, nice and pretty. Oh, let me get on this side. Nice and pretty, like nothing ever was done. Even better than before, actually. So I'm very satisfied with these guys, and in a minute we're gonna do a walkthrough and I'll show you what that's all about. All right.
trailer would be the nose east or west. Because of the way the panels are laid out, if the nose is facing east, these panels are going to get sun. These panels can be tilted up. If you're facing the opposite direction, the opposite, you don't have to tilt both sets. You can just tilt the farthest away set and get the most amount of sunlight in. Depending on the time of year, depending on how much solar you want to be putting into your panels.
So panels should be facing south.
Panels always facing south gets the most sun. That way the sun comes up in the east, sets in the west, and you get the maximum amount of sunlight into the batteries.
Got it.
Okay.
We just got finished boondocking for 3 nights. I ran my battery down purposely last night to the lowest it got was 56%. So solar is working great. I tilted up my panels last night and just to see this morning the difference, how fast it would charge. It was charged by like a little past 8 o'clock in the morning. So very quick. So anyways, I'm gonna go up and put the panels down. Today's water day. I'm filling up the freshwater tank out of the bladder that I filled up yesterday at the gas station. I just asked them, they said, yeah, use it. So there you go. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. Just got to put everything away, but just a little simple water pump, intake valve, and then the outtake, just the pressure. I put some of those pressure, those cheap ones, at the end of my hoses just to be sure, because I didn't know how much pressure, but I didn't read the pressure amount. But a longer hose, whatever, in case, but easy to do. Well, it's a little past 3 o'clock. Panels are still pulling in wattage. I think it's like at, shoot, close to 500 watts, maybe more. Pretty simple. Well, thanks for watching, guys. The installation is all complete. Video shows it all. All in all, install went great. Thanks to Ron, Shane, and Christian at DNR Family RV in Phoenix that did the install. We'll put a link up there to get a hold of those guys if If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. But thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up if you like the video.